model from Motorola. So this is Moto Edge 50 Pro. So this has lot many special features. If you have come first time for the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on all icons button. So this has brought many features at an affordable price. So considering the price point and the given features, it is the best of the price for this segment.
First, coming to design and build. Let's start with the design. Moto Edge 50 Pro brings a curved 3D OLED display with ultra slim bezels, giving it a sleek and premium look. It's just thin, light and incredibly comfortable to hold. It comes with a vegan leather finish on the back, adding to the grip and luxury feel. And guess what? It's also IP68 rated, so you are safe from water and dust. The 6.7-inch OLED display is a treat. You get 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support. Perfect for binge watching and gaming. Colors pop up, blacks are deep and brightness hits up to 2000 nits. No problem even under direct sunlight.
Vegan leather finish along with a premium feel, it will protect your device from the fingerprints. Into the display, it has been provided with 6.7 inches OLED display and that has 144 Hz of refresh rate. So considering the price point, giving a 144 Hz of refresh rate is a good at this price point. There is a drawback with this high refresh rate also, because when you have a higher refresh rate, definitely the power consumption will also be higher compared to the lower refresh rate. But actually nowadays 120 Hz of refresh rate is a standard that many companies are opting for. Even though it is a 144 Hz of refresh rate, it opts an adaptive refresh rate mechanism so that it can save the battery. It provides a greater battery performance with 4500 mAh of battery, and the specific feature of this battery is it has 125 watts of wide charging speed, whereas it has provided with 50 watts wireless charging capability also. So giving a 50 watt wireless provision for a under 30,000 device is of great choice. But the wireless charger you need to purchase extra. It does not come with the device. Coming to the performance, it has been provided with the processor 7 Gen 3 processor. It has a clock speed of 2.63 GHz, which is good for the optimal usage and even for the gamers, because nowadays many smartphones are coming with 7S Gen 3. So actually 7S Gen 3 is slightly undergraded version of 7 Gen 3 processor, and in MediaTek processor, so nowadays 7300 MediaTek processor is being given, which is also having the clock speeds lesser than this 7 Gen 3 processor. So considering this has an edge over those mid-range smartphones. It has been provided with the IP68 rating. This protection against water and dust particles. This IP68 rating is one of the best standards in the smartphone capabilities. Under 30,000 rupees, giving IP68 rating is of great value. IP68 rating is given only to the flagship mobiles, which cost higher than 50,000 rupees. Affordable price, you are getting a wireless charger, 144 Hz of refresh rate, premium luxury vegan leather bag, and also IP68 rating is of great value. Not only this, there is a special feature in the camera segment. So the back camera has been provided with triple camera system, in which the primary camera is 50 megapixel resolution and the ultra wide camera is 13 megapixel resolution, and there is another third camera, that is telephoto lens. Telephoto camera has been provided with 10 megapixel resolution. Even though it looks on the cards, it looks 10 megapixel, but it produces decent results. I will provide you the samples in the screen. You can see.
In the camera samples, it provides good dynamic range, both in the daylight and in the indoor conditions. And the portrait camera stands out as a good feature and produces decent images.
Coming to the color options, there are different color options available. So the one which is in my hands is Canil Bay color. Other than this, there are other variants also. Coming to the front camera, it has been provided with 50 megapixel front camera. So the best part of camera capabilities is it can record 4K, and even you can record 4K resolution video in the telephoto mode also, the 3x camera. Even up to 20x zoom you can record telephoto video at 4K resolution. So next, you can also record 4K resolution in the front camera also. The front camera also can shoot 4K video resolution, so that you can create vlogs at a higher resolution. So this provides one of the optimal choices for the content creators and those who need a value for the money you have given. So these are all the features that are available. So there are some certain drawbacks available with this. The one of the drawback is the battery. So considering the 144 Hz of refresh rate, 4500 mAh battery is not sufficient to my knowledge. Why? Because nowadays current trend is it has crossed 5000 mAh. Many smartphone mobiles now giving 6000 mAh battery. So 4500 feels a little bit back, but still for the weight provided it is optimal. So you can manage the battery management also. If you keep the battery saver mode, you can extend the battery life to some extent. So this is about the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So let me know in the comments what features do you like and what do you expect from this Motorola company from the next coming models. So don't forget to hit the like button and keep sharing. Thank you for watching.